Well, again, giving one more update. It's finally Wednesday. Day we've all been waiting for, it seems. It looks like the storm has pushed north in the models, showing that the central part of the state working northeast towards Scranton area will be the hardest hit. Which kind of saw this happening the past couple days, especially European models showing that it wants to push the storm up, way up to the north. I believe this is north. This is the European model showing the Philadelphia area will be a lot less impacted, which some people will be happy about that. The central part of the state is going to be the hardest hit, with anywhere from a foot to 18 inches up here in the middle central part of the state. And North American showing almost the same. It's a little different. Making the storm bigger in total area, with the Philadelphia area being less severely impacted, which I'm sure a lot of people will be happy to hear about that. Let's pull up the other map real quick. This is also, I believe, the North American model, showing about the same thing. A lot of the states can get hit with at least a foot of snow. Out west, getting lower. Philadelphia area, probably a few inches. Depending on the track of the storm, this could move farther north, and Bucks, Montgomery, Chester counties, Philadelphia County, Delaware County might all be less severely impacted by this storm, which is entirely possible depending on where the models want to take this. Anyway, I'll go back to my mock-up map I made. Yeah, this storm could track a little bit more farther north. It could stay about the same. Don't really see it moving more south, but who knows? Weather is incredibly hard to predict, as many people know. But we'll see what happens. Just be ready. By now, we pretty much know what's going to happen, but something may change. And if it does, I'll let you and everybody else give you another update. And hopefully we'll all be enjoying a nice snow day on Thursday. Alright. Be ready, be prepared, and if anything else comes out, I will quickly give you an update. I might even stream a little bit of the storm here in Bucks County. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Thank you.